How's it going, guys? I'm Jose with GeneratingEntrepreneurs.com. Just wanted to share with you my personal opinion about taking time off and why it's important. You know, for a long time I've had many businesses in my adulthood, started multiple different companies at the same time while running an internet business, at the same time trying to manage full-time being a parent and stay-at-home dad, relationships, friendships. I mean, I had a whole schedule full. But, you know, I always seem to neglect myself. I always seem to neglect the little time that I feel to myself doing the things that I love and just touching back on the things that make me happy. You know, I jam-pack my schedule so much with the intent of providing a great life for my family and freeing up my time financially, but sometimes, you know, our intentions lead to the result that we're not looking for. And you know, when you sacrifice doing a lot of projects at once, you get overwhelmed sometimes with your time. And even if it's your job, you know, you're saving up for a vacation and you're working a lot of overtime and doing your intentions are good because you want to take your family during the summertime out. But in reality, your kids are growing up. A lot of these core memories are happening and you're not around. You know, those are times that you can't get back. These are experiences and times in your kids' lives and your family's life that really matter, and you have to weigh out what's important. Is the money important and having the ability to take your family on a vacation in the future, or whatever you're facing currently, you know, for planning for the future, or having that lack of being there for your family and that support right now? And it's not easy. There's not going to be the right answer to this question. It's just going to be individual. You know, you have to play it by ear, each one of you. And my best advice to you is just learn to take time and manage all the important things at your life, but give that time to yourself with the same importance, you know, because when you go out and you start doing things for yourself and you feel good about you and you come home refreshed, you know, you feel like rested and you're happy you got back in touch with. For me especially, it's going out camping, backpacking, hiking, fishing, anything outdoors. It just kind of like recharges me. And so for the same thing for a lot of people, but a lot of the times if we don't do that, it has the opposite effect when we're in our environment. We're at home, in our relationships, at work. Any little thing can set us off because we're just overworked and, you know, underpaid, as you say. And being paid, in a sense, would be just rewarding ourselves. And it's incredibly difficult when you get into a routine that doesn't allow for self-healing, that you get overwhelmed, man. And I have to say, look at your routine as far as what you do during the week, structure it. You know, I write everything down on a piece of paper and I kind of just sit back and I see where the time frames are that I'm losing time and what I can do to make more progress. But see what you're doing and see what you can do to squeeze in maybe an hour or two every other day, or once a week, twice a week, whatever you can fit in your schedule. Just get back in touch with what you love. Even if it's a half hour during your break time at lunch. If you work during your lunch break, you know, you have no other time but that time, try to squeeze in to do something that you love. Even if it's just going for a quick walk, hanging out with your friends at your job, coworkers, calling a buddy that you haven't talked to, get in touch with family. Just start planning the things that you love to do. Don't neglect yourself anymore for things that you think are going to be better for the future. I'm Jose with GeneratingEntrepreneurs.com. You guys have a great day.